Hello students, welcome to English class once again. Today I am here with a new story of Heidi. In story 5, the last sentence was Dad caught hold of Heidi with one hand and set down the mountain for Frankfurt. Now we will start story 6, A New Life Begins. In this story, you will see that Heidi's new life begins. The house in Frankfurt to which Heidi was being taken belonged to a wealthy man, Mr. Seisman. Whose house was that? Mr. Seisman's. And the rich man. His only daughter Clara was sitting in a beautiful room in her wheelchair and watching the clock impatiently. You know that Clara was a disabled girl. She was unable to walk, so she was sitting in a wheelchair and waiting impatiently for Heidi. At last she said, "Oh, Miss Rottenmeier, isn't it time yet?" At that very moment, at the same time, Miss Date was standing with Heidi at the front door. Miss Rottenmeier, who was in charge of household affairs after Clara's mother died, tried to know about Heidi to see if she would be a good playmate for Clara. Who was Rottenmeier? The housekeeper of Clara's house. Clara's mother has died and she was there to look after Clara and the house of Mr. Seisman. She was worried about Clara. She wanted to know everything about Heidi. She was dissatisfied with Heidi for a number of reasons, such as being 4 years younger than Clara and not being educated. Heidi was 4 years younger than Clara. And second thing, she was not educated. So, Miss Roy was worried. Now, what happened? Heidi's aunt left Heidi there and she went back to her job. Now, Clara noticed that Heidi was upset. Why Heidi was upset? She was thinking about her grandfather and about her friend Peter and his family. She started to talk her. She told her that she had been brought here to keep her company and have lessons with her. Clara told Heidi that we will be good friends and we will have lessons together. During supper, Heidi took a bread roll for Peter's granny as she still thought that she had to go back in the morning. During supper means evening meal, when you take light snacks. Heidi took a bread roll as she was thinking that in the morning she will go back to the mountain to her grandfather. Now next morning, both the girls were waiting for Mr. Usher, the tutor. Who was Mr. Usher? The tutor of Clara. Suddenly there was a loud noise of things falling and breaking. Miss Rottenmeier found the floor of study scattered with books and papers. When there was a loud noise in the room, Miss Rottenmeier came there and she found the room scattered with books and papers. Everywhere on the floor there were books and papers. She was very angry. But Clara protected Heidi and said it was just an accident. When Clara was taking rest, Heidi asked Sebastian, the butler, to open the windows. Who was Sebastian? The butler, the male servant of the house. When Heidi opened the windows, She saw a church tower with a golden dome at top. At once she was out of the door, but she could no longer see the tower. Why did she come out of the house? When she saw a tower, she thought that from the top of that tower she would be able to see her grandfather's hut. But she could no longer see the tower. Then she reached the tower with the help of a boy. There they saw an old man. When she saw tears in Heidi's eyes, she took her to the top. The old man was the owner of that tower. She refused. She said, No, I would not allow you to go at the top. But when he saw the tears in Heidi's eyes, she allowed them to go at the top. She wanted to see the mountain from the top, but she could see nothing. There she saw some kittens. When she came down from the top, she saw some kittens and she was very happy to see the kittens. She requested the old man to send some kittens for Clara, and she came back at home of Clara. They both were now good friends, and Clara was very happy with Heidi. And that is the end of the story. I hope you might have enjoyed the story very much. Thank you. Have a nice day.